Hi, welcome to Basic English. In today's episode, we have a new phrase for you. Figure out. Do you know what it means? Let's find out what does it mean and how we can use it in our daily conversation. Figure out, which basically means able to discover something or someone. অথবা আমরা বলতে পারি কোনো কিছু খুঁজে বের করা. Let's look at some example for better understanding. Example 1. He was able to figure out the killer. Number 2. I don't have to be a detective to figure it out. Example 3. They are trying to figure out the politics of the whole situation. And the last one we have, could you help me figure out this problem?